Ever stay up late trying to write a blog post? Or wrestle with design software for, like, hours just to make a simple banner ad?
Oh, yeah, I know that feeling all too well.
It's like marketing just eats up all your time sometimes.
Yeah, especially when you've got a million other things to do for your business.
Right. And that's actually what made me want to do this deep dive today
Oh, cool.
into Marketing Blocks,
Okay.
which is this platform that says it can, like, totally change the game thanks to AI.
Interesting.
So they're saying it can handle everything from building websites to writing your content to creating videos,
Yeah.
even managing your social media.
Sounds amazing.
Yeah, it does.
Maybe too good to be true.
Right.
So that's what we're here to, like, figure out. Right.
Yeah, exactly.
What do you think is most interesting about Marketing Blocks?
Well, the thing that really caught my eye is they've got this AI assistant called Ethan.
Ethan.
Yeah, and they're saying he's like a one-stop shop for all your marketing needs.
They even say that he's 10 times better than ChatGPT.
10 times better.
Which is a pretty bold statement, for sure.
Yeah, that's a bold statement.
Uh-huh.
Makes me really curious.
Yeah.
And also like a little skeptical.
Sure.
But I think instead of getting caught up in all the hype,
Right.
let's just look at the specific AI tools
Yeah.
that are within Marketing Blocks.
Uh,
So what can this Ethan actually do?
so they've got this whole suite of tools that sound pretty impressive.
Okay.
Like, for example, there's the AI Page Builder, which they say can help you create entire websites in minutes
What?
just by typing in keywords.
Oh, wow.
Then there's the AI Video Creator that can supposedly generate promo videos just from a single keyword.
Wow.
And of course, they've got the AI Writer that's designed to, like, produce blog posts, ebooks, and even full-fledged business plans.
Well, oh, wait.
Yeah.
Business plans, too.
Uh-huh.
I remember spending weeks on mine,
Oh, yeah.
and it still wasn't even that good.
So if this AI can really do that, that's kind of mind-blowing.
Yeah, it would be.
So what else is in this marketing toolbox of theirs?
Let's see. So they've also got an AI spokesperson who can turn text into videos with avatars.
Okay.
So it's like having your own virtual spokesperson. And they've got AI chatbots that are trained on your business data.
Okay.
So they can answer customer questions and provide 24/7 support.
So they've really thought of everything.
It seems like it.
It's a pretty diverse set of tools.
Yeah.
And I can definitely see how it could save you a ton of time.
Right.
I mean, who wouldn't want to just churn out a business plan in minutes instead of weeks?
Yeah, exactly. But the real question is, how well do these tools actually work in practice?
That's what I was going to say.
I mean, anyone can make claims,
Yeah.
but we need to see what real users are saying.
You're reading my mind.
Great.
So let's get into the testimonials,
Yeah.
because I'm dying to know if Marketing Blocks lives up to the hype.
Yeah, me too. Are we talking about like small wins here? Or have people really seen big changes in their business?
Let's find out. So there are some pretty compelling stories out there.
Okay, cool.
Like, for example, Rick Garcia, one of the early adopters, said he used Marketing Blocks to finish a whole project for some plumbing contractors in under 15 minutes.
Seriously.
Something that usually takes him hours.
Wow, that's impressive.
And then there's Jose Friesen.
Okay.
He said he made 2 ebooks in a single morning.
Wow.
Something that normally takes him days.
That's a serious time saver.
Right.
I mean, who wouldn't want an extra couple of days back in their week?
Exactly.
But time saved is only valuable if it, actually leads to results.
Yeah, that's a good point.
So has anyone seen like increased sales or growth in their business because of this?
Yeah, for sure.
Really?
Maxwell T, another user, said he actually closed an $800 sale from just a short consultation using Marketing Blocks.
No way.
Yeah, he made a sales page and an ebook that convinced the client to buy.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so it sounds like it's more than just a time-saving thing.
Right.
It's actually helping people make money.
That's cool.
Yeah.
This Ethan does everything claim still makes me kind of nervous.
I get it.
I get it's AI and all, but it's not like it can just magically run my whole business for me.
Right. You're right to be cautious.
Yeah.
It's important to remember that.
Okay.
Even though Marketing Blocks has all this cool AI, it's still just a tool.
Okay.
It's meant to help you with your work, not do it all for you.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So it's more like having like a super-powered intern
Oh,
who
yeah.
could do all the boring stuff,
Yeah.
but you're still the one in charge.
Exactly. You're the CEO calling the shots.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
So how does this whole like human AI collaboration thing actually work?
Well, it's like this Ethan can take care of a lot of the doing, but you still have to do the thinking.
Okay.
So you have to set the strategy, the goals,
Okay.
make sure everything's on brand, stuff like that.
So it's not about Ethan taking over.
Right.
It's about Ethan helping you do more, better, and faster.
Exactly. It's like having a secret weapon for your marketing.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah.
It's not about giving up control for convenience. It's about using AI to do the boring stuff so you can focus on the creative stuff.
Exactly. You get the best of both worlds.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So speaking of control,
Yeah.
how does marketing blocks work with other platforms?
Oh, good question.
Like if I'm already using MailChimp or Allware, am I going to have to switch? Or can they work together?
That's really important because nobody wants another separate system to deal with.
Right.
Luckily, Marketing Blocks integrates with all the major platforms,
Oh, okay, good.
like MailChimp and Zapier.
Great.
Plus, they integrate with over 1,000 other apps through Zapier.
Wow. So many.
Yeah, so you've got tons of options.
That's a huge relief.
Yeah.
Okay, so it sounds like they really made it to fit in with how you're already working.
Right, exactly.
It's not like totally disrupted. But before we go too crazy talking about all the bells and whistles,
Okay.
let's talk about price.
Right.
How much does it cost?
Right to the point.
And is it worth it?
Well, that depends on what you need and what your budget is.
Okay.
They've got different pricing tiers.
Okay.
You can find all the details in the show notes for this episode.
Perfect. Yeah, we'll link that for everyone.
Great.
But before we send everyone off to check it out,
Yeah.
I got to ask,
What's up?
what's your overall impression of marketing blocks? Is this just another one of those shiny new toys that everyone's going to forget about in a week?
Yeah.
Or is there actually something special here?
You know, based on everything we've seen,
Okay.
the different tools it has, the time, they can save you the positive reviews.
Yeah.
I really think Marketing Blocks has a chance to be huge for marketers and entrepreneurs.
Interesting.
It's like having an entire marketing team at your fingertips.
Wow.
All powered by AI.
That's pretty powerful.
Yeah, especially for people who are just starting out
Right.
or who have a small business
Right.
and don't have a big budget for marketing
Right.
or a whole team of people.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, so it can really help level the playing field.
Totally. And it can help you keep up with everything that's changing.
Exactly, because the marketing world moves so fast.
Like really good.
It's like having a secret weapon.
Okay. I'm kind of getting excited about this now.
Cool.
But before I jump on board,
Yeah.
what about the downside?
Good point.
Like, are there any things we should watch out for?
Yeah, let's talk about that. Well, one thing to remember is AI tools like this are still just tools that can help you automate things and create content,
Yeah.
but they can't replace you completely.
Right.
You still need a good strategy,
Right.
and you need to be able to look at what the AI makes and decide if it's good or not.
Okay.
Make sure it fits with your brand and your goals.
So you can't just like set it and forget it.
Right.
Plug in some keywords and expect it to do everything.
Right. You still got to be involved.
Gotcha.
It's more like a partnership.
Okay.
You and the AI working together.
Big
You bring the creativity and the strategy and the knowledge of your audience.
Okay.
And the AI just helps you do it all faster.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay. So another thing I'm thinking about
What's that?
is that AI content can sometimes sound kind of robotic
Right.
or generic.
Yeah, for sure.
How do we avoid that?
Well, that's where you come in.
Okay.
As the editor.
Okay.
You have a lot of control over what the AI creates. You can choose the tone and style,
Okay.
even the keywords you want to use,
Cool.
and you can always edit the content it makes to make it sound more natural.
So it's kind of like having a rough draft.
Yeah, exactly.
But then you got to polish it up.
Make it your own.
Awesome. This has been super helpful.
Good. I'm glad.
We've covered so much.
We have-
all the different tools,
Uh-huh.
the pros and cons of AI.
Yeah.
Before we wrap up,
Yeah.
is there anything else people should know about marketing blocks?
I think it's important to say that they're always updating it.
Okay.
AI is changing so fast, so
Right.
there's going to be even more features coming soon.
Oh, cool.
It's definitely something to watch.
That's exciting.
Yeah,
It sounds like AI marketing is just getting started.
it really is.
But I do want to remind everyone
Yeah.
that we're not telling you to buy anything.
Of course not.
We're just giving you the info
Right.
so you can decide for yourself.
Exactly. Do your own research.
Yeah.
Check out their website.
Yeah.
Maybe even try a free trial.
Good idea.
See if it works for you.
We'll be
Oh,
sure to link it in the show notes
Perfect.
so it's easy to find.
Great.
So whether you decide to try AI marketing
Uh-huh.
or stick with what you know,
Right.
the most important thing is to stay curious.
Definitely.
Keep learning new things.
Yeah, the marketing world never stops changing.
Yeah, you got to stay ahead of the game.
That's the key.
All right, so there you have it, everyone.
That's it.
Our deep dive into the world of AI marketing.
With marketing blocks.
We hope you learned something new.
Yeah.
And that you feel ready to explore all the possibilities.
For sure.
Until next time.
Yeah.
Keep those marketing gears turning.